Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is that micro motor that I put the magnetic wiper on. So there's no wiper on that motor at all, just that magnet riding on the third rail. So I made it a little adapter, and these are two of my heaviest Lionel cars. So I'm going to take this around just to see how this magnet reacts to a load. This is over a pound. So let's see what happens. Well, it seems to work. I don't see any sparking of any kind. That's a lot of weight that little motor's pushing. And for the experiment, it was easier to push it than it was to pull it. So it'd be an interesting little motor to adapt into something like a yard mule or a small switcher of some kind. Just something for moving around single or double cars. It works. It runs really well. So, in an interesting experiment, so the magnet works. So if you can pull this much power through it, I don't think it would have any trouble running any motor of any kind. And even being as crude as it is, it's working extremely well. So an interesting experiment, just one of the Marx micro motors attached to a magnet rather than a wiper. So there's almost no tension on this motor at all. So it's going to be interesting to see what this can actually do. But in the meantime, like I said, it's pushing two of the heaviest cars I have. So that's a pound or better just in the two cars, plus the truck and then the motor. But it's having no trouble at all pulling that or pushing that. Trying to see how slow I can get it to run. See, it doesn't like running slow. The wheels slip. It doesn't have any mass or weight on that motor. But I just wanted to test it to see what kind of results we got of actually moving the motor with a load and seeing how that magnet works. And as you see, it works really well as the copper contactor on the bottom of the Marx engine. So, an interesting experiment, no doubt. So, the Marx micro motor with a magnetic third rail wiper, a truck, and two fairly heavy Lionel cars. So, I just want to do a quick video on this. It seems to work, even under load. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.